turn that off. Oh, I said hell. Forgive me. Hey guys, this is Songbird Diva. For life. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. For life. How you guys doing? So in this video, I'm going to be featuring for my Blush Crush series. I'm going to be featuring Vintage Grape. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I think it's limited edition, and if you like it, which more than likely you are because I'm featuring it, and I am Songbird Diva for life, and this is Vintage Grape. So stay tuned. Oh, one more thing. I know you guys wanted a hair tutorial. So yeah, I'll do that in another video, not this one. So stay tuned for the Blush Crush series for Vintage Grape, which I know you're gonna get because it's featured by me, Songbird Diva for life. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this fluffy brush, and it's pink. You know that I love my pinks and my purples. And I'm just gonna swirl it and 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 swirl it. That's it on my pink brush, and it's purple on my pink brush because I like pink and purple together or apart. Together or apart. And what you're gonna do is you're going to put it on your cheeks after swirling it like this, and you're going to smile. Yeah, smile, and put it on. Remember to smile. It's very pretty. As I said, I wasn't too impressed, or not too impressed, but I have so much makeup that smile that you know, not a lot of things really impressed me or caught my eye, but this did. Plus it's purple, and I can put it on with my pink brush because I like pink and purple together or apart. Smile. And this color really impressed me. I like it a lot, not only because it's purple, but well, because it's purple. Smile. And there it is, Vintage Grape. it's very pretty. And what I've noticed too, because it's two colored, is you can use the richer or darker shade as a contour. Yeah, you can actually do that. And then you can use a lighter shade as a blush on your cheeks, or you can swirl it like this and put it on. And remember, when you're putting it on, you have to smile. Like that. Just smile. And that's vintage great. Oh, and you know what? Because I like pink, I'm going to show you. I also have bubblegum and very pretty soft pink. And oops, I'm going to put that on for you. Pretty, it's pink and I like pink. So if you like pink and if you like purple, or even if you don't, you should definitely get these, because I do. I'm a pink girl and purple too, and you'll be after this. That's vintage grape and bubblegum. And if you have any questions, definitely go ahead and commenting down there. I'll get it much faster than if you message me, or you can tweet me at SongBirdDiva. SongBirdDiva4life at Twitter, or you can email me at SongBirdDiva4life at gmail.com. And that's it. And you know that I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll have another blush crush coming up, because I crush on blushes, and you too will crush on blushes, because SongBirdDiva4life does. Bye, guys.